Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the SSD in your HP 15B25NS laptop. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your components. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if your model allows it. This is crucial for your safety and to avoid any electrical issues during the process. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. You will typically find around 10 screws that need to be removed. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew them, placing them in a safe location to avoid losing any. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Start at one corner and work your way around, being cautious not to damage any clips. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. With the back panel removed, locate the existing hard drive. It will be housed in a metal bracket. Unscrew the screws holding the bracket in place and gently slide the hard drive out. Take note of how it is connected, as you will need to replicate this with your new SSD. Now take your new SSD and insert it into the same slot, ensuring it is securely connected. If you are unsure about the compatibility of your SSD, we recommend seeking a professional diagnosis without obligation to ensure you have the right component. Once the SSD is in place, reattach the metal bracket and secure it with the screws you previously removed. This is a good time to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using compressed air, as this can help improve airflow and cooling. After securing the SSD, replace the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear the clips snap into place. Reinsert the screws to secure the back panel, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so, as this could damage the casing. Now, flip the laptop back over and reconnect the battery if applicable. Power on your device and enter the BIOS settings to ensure that the new SSD is recognized. If you encounter any issues, remember that we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help without the hassle of calls or travel. Once the SSD is recognized, you may need to install your operating system or clone your previous hard drive data onto the new SSD. There are various software options available for this, so choose one that suits your needs. Finally, if you feel that this process is too tricky, or if you would prefer to have it done by a professional, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Enjoy your upgraded HP 15BW025NS with enhanced speed and performance. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.